My name is Tim Phelps, the Executive Director of the Transportation Management Association of Chester County. In today's interview, I'm excited to share with you insights into a different type of highway project, one that integrates technology with the highway. This road information will better inform you for your morning commute, save time in your travels, or even prevent that headache of sitting in a long line of traffic waiting for an incident to be cleared. Intelligent Transportation Systems, or also known as ITS, is being installed on US 30 from Coatesville to the Downingtown on the bypass, and a 20-mile stretch of Business Route 30 that extends from West Route 10, which is Octorara Trail, in West Salisbury Township to US 30 interchange with 202 in East Whiteland. This integrated system will inform commuters on travel times, potential delays, and traffic incidents along US Route 30. I will be interviewing Manny Anastasiadas, the Traffic Operations Manager for PennDOT District 6, and Kevin Hunt, the Transportation Operations Manager for Gannett Fleming. Manny, what is your role at PennDOT?
I'm the Senior Manager for the Division of Traffic Operations. I oversee a group of people that operate the devices that we talked about in the Traffic Management Center.
So Manny, what is ITS to you and how does it work?
ITS, or Intelligent Transportation Systems, uses technology as a tool to fight the causes of congestion and aids travelers to get from point A to point B as efficiently as possible. So we began with 12 cameras and 4 electronic signs that provided traveler information to the motorists on 95. And currently we have grown to over 430 cameras, 193 plus electronic signs. And we use a number of other detectors that tells us what travel times are on the highways themselves. So those tools combined help us address or look at into addressing the congestion, causes of congestion that I talked about earlier. Now, traveler information is a big part of what we do. In fact, we get what happens on the particular highway to the radio and TV stations. We certainly broadcast it over electronic signs on the highways, and we are actually connected directly with a software package called Waze, a Google product that in fact gives the information directly back to the motorist. So as a motorist deciding coming off before Route 10, you'll be able to eventually see what happens in this particular case, on the business portion of US 30 and decide whether you want to stay on the main line or use Business 30.
So Kevin, what is your role at Gannett Fleming?
I am a project manager at Gannett Fleming, so I oversee the design of the ITS projects around the area and even in some of the other states nearby. We have a team working for me that's doing a lot of the detail design and coordinating with PennDOT throughout the entire design process. So the ITS improvements are going to be able to monitor the construction activities, provide construction, incident, and congestion and travel time information to the traveling public.
So how do I know that this information is accurate and who updates it?
So the information is, the data that comes back is automatically collected. It's put into an algorithm that continually analyzes the data and keeps it accurate and updated. And then the operators in the TMC, which is staffed 24/7, will then update the information on the dynamic message signs based on the current conditions and what they're seeing on the cameras.
So as we continue to move forward, when will we see this information start to be available on the message boards?
So construction on the ITS devices has begun, scheduled currently to be complete around the end of summer 2021. So during that time frame, end of summer, early fall, is when you'll start to see messages being posted to the DMS.
So Kevin, this sounds like this is just an initial phase. Is there a future for this technology in our road system?
Yeah, so this was just an initial deployment of some ITS devices to try and get information out there to the public. As each one of these projects on the bypass moves forward, we're going to be evaluating additional technologies to deploy as part of that. You could see as variable message or variable speed limit signs that can change the speed based on congestion on the roadway, try to improve safety and slow speeds down. We could maybe be looking at hard shoulder running, which is being deployed on the Schuylkill Expressway. Things like that are going to be evaluated as we move along with the design of the other projects on the corridor.
This $5.8 million ITS infrastructure improvement along US 30 and Business Route 30 is financed with 100% federal funds and is anticipated to be completed by the spring of 2021. For more information about this project and other US 30 reconstruction and improvement projects, visit us30-chesco.com. For more information about commute options and other transportation projects in Chester County, visit tmac.org. Thank you for joining us today.